Kia ora. Welcome back to Faye Vids. Today I have 2 plates of different kind of chicken. This is the crunchy chicken with chips and salad, and this is the barbecue plates. I got it at this place in Cook Island in Rarotonga called Super Brown. Oh well, next door there's a takeaway there, and it comes with the barbecue chicken. They're fancy sort of made sausages. Look at that, it's got fancy cuts in it. So, and it comes with these little sauce. It's quite nice and sweet because I've had one before. And it comes with a nice salad. Anyway, I'm going to show you. That's the crunchy one, and that's the barbecue one. Okay, and I am gonna have it with water today because it's pretty hot. Pretty hot. The other day was nice and cool. It's quite hot. Anyway, I just wanted to see, because I've tasted this one, the crunchy chicken, and it was really nice. But this barbecue one, I haven't tried it. So I'm going to try this crunchy barbecue one. I want to use this, I don't know what it is, I've got to try and guess what the sauce is. It's got an orange look to it. I'm trying to guess what the flavour is. It's really nice. Anyway, I think it's got a sweet chilli. I can taste. I'm going to try this barbecue. Filipinos made it in Cook Island. Nice. It's moist. Let me try this one. Cook Island mainly get their food from New Zealand. They get it brought over, then they sell it. Yeah, it's nice. No, I really like the orange sauce. But look at the little tub they put it in. Can they just give it a little bit more? Yep. I've got 5 more days here in Rarotonga. I've been having a good time, but I just come here to help my children's father, you know, to get hold of their family land, because it's been abandoned, and he wants to build on it and come here and retire. Not that he doesn't love, not that he doesn't like where he's living, but you know what they say, home is where the heart is. Not on salad. Look at this. I got this headband from my my in-law. From my in-law that lives in Aitutaki. So thank you very much to my in-law. Her name is Kuputai Cecil, and she lives in Aitutaki. She did this for me, and I want to tell you, sister, you've gotten better. Looks really nice, my headband. This time around I didn't go to Otataki. Otherwise I would have shown some food from there. But I guess it's similar to what's here. This is very nice. Very nice, super brown. No. I've done another video before and in Rarotonga, and it was a fish meal. So if you're just looking at this one from the Cook Islands, you can go and look through and you'll find the one that I done with the parrotfish. It was caught here on the day, and then my sister-in-law gave it, and then we cooked it and I'm done a mukbang. Nice. Have some of this sausage. Oh, guess what today? We went over because we hired some men to come and clear out the property that we went to, that belongs to my kid's father. And a truck came and there was two guys. Now remember, this is Rarotonga, where I am at the moment. They said they're both Samoans. So I said hello and they got a shock because they must have thought I was a Cook Islander. But I wasn't wearing this. But I do look Samoan. Anyway, so we started talking and I said to the guy, "Oh, you live here?" And he said, "Yes, he does." And he's Samoan. He said he lives here. And I said, "Oh, so that's good, you live here?" And then he said, "Ko kere au Samoan mo whingi." And I said, "Wait, yeah." He said, "Ko kere." And I said to him, "Well, this is Pinga. The mama sang, right? The men sau mới phải phơi pung nó lăng cả mà phải mềm mà nó dễ dùng là cũng ạ. Translation: a lady that I know, she had come to Rarotonga for her daughter's wedding, and she said it's so nice here. She said it was so nice here that she felt that Rarotonga is better than Samoa. And I said to her, hey, don't be a traitor. And she laughed. And I said, don't be a traitor. Oh, I mean, I know Rarotonga is very nice, but don't be a traitor. Anyway, she has the right to her own opinion, I guess. But if she's right though, it's very nice here. This is the crunchy deep fried chicken. Alright. Nice. Hang on. Nó mày ghê chứ. So nice. Anyway, when you come to Cook Island, check out Super Brown. We've got a petrol station, a little place you can buy a bit of shopping. Right on the end, there's our yummy food like this. But there's so many places you can go to. Tomorrow, we're going on a cocker ride. Our cocker cruise, lagoon cruise. I could be saying it wrong. Some people could say coca, like K-O-K-A, lagoon cruise. So we're going on that tomorrow, guys. So I'll film some and then I'll upload it just to show you guys some of the activities you can do if you wanted to come to the Cook Islands. I'm still dipping in that sauce. There's quite a lot to do here, but I'm not even going to have to do half of it. Why? Because I'm not as young as I used to be, thank you very much. You know, they say break a leg. I don't want to break a leg. This is how my mum eats her lettuce. She likes to fold it up and then eat it. But you know what's the favorite thing to eat lettuce with? Bisupo or fatspoi masima. Yep. And so always get the lettuce, fold it up, and you people got different ways to eat their food. This is that fancy sausage I was telling you about. Nice. And the lettuce, red onion, cucumber, put it together, and Bob's your auntie. I'm a messy eater, huh? Yep. Sometimes you just have to tackle it like that. Okay. Get some of the skin here. Nice. Very tasty. And lettuce. Crunchy lettuce. Mangaya. Alright. last weekend, Justice Crew was here. They performed in the Rehab nightclub. And 2 performances. So, for those who's been to Cook Island, you'll know which club I'm talking about. Rehab. It goes off, they said. I don't know because I haven't been in there. And I go in one dance and get tired and then come home. Huh? We're back in the days? No, no way. I'll stay there and have a good time. Well, the verdict about these 2 food, they're both nice. Both yummy. Okay? That's the barbecue one. This one. And this is the crunchy one. I made some sweet. But I didn't feel like eating it. Because sometimes when you cook, you just don't want to cook and eat your own food. So you go buy something else and you let the family eat your cooking. Do you guys do that too? I do. But sometimes I'll have to eat my cooking. Because 2 reasons. 1, because I made it and it was so yummy. 2, no one will run down the shop and buy it for me. Okay? And even though I can drive myself, but after I cook, I need to relax. Anyway guys, if you guys have watched my other video that I done with the Cook Island food that I done here in the island, on the island, you will hear me say, you know, come over for a holiday. So if you guys have watched it, have you guys decided yet? Yeah, put it on your list of things to do. Come for a visit to good old Cook Island. We followed this bus yesterday. No, it's really a truck but made into a bus, like, and it was so full. Everyone was all probably drunk and, you know, screaming with excitement because there was music on the bus. Yeah, and it takes you around from club to club. But the funny thing is, it was mostly like the papa'as, the white people that come over for a holiday. They have a good time. You can just hear it by the tone of their screaming voices and their laughter. Back in the days, I'll be on that bus too, having a yahoo time, probably swinging around the pole, who knows. But anyway, I've done this and haven't done much of it, but hey, I was just showing you. So when you come to Cook Island, you will think, now, that Faye Vids lady, she said to go to Brown's. Okay, what's it called again? What did I say it was called? What is it called again?
Super Brown.
Super Brown. Okay guys, Super Brown. I remembered it when I first done my video and now I've forgotten. It must be the food. Pardon me guys. I don't like burping, but you know, there's people out there that they like to watch videos and they like to hear burps. But I tell you what, burping is natural because that's how God programmed us. Either it comes out one end or goes out the other. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't be talking about that kind of stuff while food is involved, even though that's, you know, more natural kind of thing. Anyway guys, don't forget what I said. Come to Raro when you can, and if not, there's always, you can go to Samoa. Go to Samoa too. You know, Samoa's nice. There's a lot of stuff you can do in Samoa now. Like, because the tourism is picked up over there, you know, quite a lot of people go over there now, and they have a great time. So that cockadoo-doo outside is just going on, full stop. No, carrying on, not full stop. Full stop is when it goes to sleep, okay? Soon he's gonna come over here and get a bit of this. Yeah, that's right. You become a KFC. Okay, see you later, guys. I just want to say ka kite from Cook Island. That means bye, and meet you guys again on another video. Wailua, you take care and be awesome, and you know, and don't forget, if you subscribe to my video, I hope you just mention down the bottom a bit like you're a new subby, so I can come and find you, because I'm not really computer savvy. I'm not. My 10-year-old, she edits my videos, so she's the one that's yeah. So when I say to her, baby, can you come and see who subbed to me, and she goes, oh mum, don't you complain. And then I don't know who to go and subscribe, but sometimes it does come up on my newsfeed that someone subscribes, so I go straight to their page, whether they do videos or what, and I just subscribe, because you never know. One day they might do some videos, and then at least they got you know, a subscriber waiting. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, whāsoi fua, ka kite, adios, to whāsoi fua. And that's all I can say. Yeah, whāsoi fua, and I didn't even have much water, eh? See, the food is beautiful. Wha.